Welcome back with the family traveling. America is home to some of the world's most gorgeous natural landscapes, and with 63 national parks, families can explore a wide range of outdoor adventures and create plenty of unforgettable memories. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 national parks in America that are perfect for families. And we have a bonus tip for you that make it to the end, or just fast forward to it. Number 5, Yellowstone National Park. Located primarily in Wyoming, Yellowstone is famous for its geysers, hot springs, and wildlife. Families can enjoy the great outdoors through hiking, fishing, and camping, and there are plenty of family-friendly activities to experience, including to see these magnificent creatures in their natural habitats. And also family hikes. With over 1,000 miles of hiking trails, Yellowstone has plenty of options for families of all skill levels to explore the park's stunning sceneries. Don't forget to visit the geysers. The most famous of these geysers is Old Faithful. This iconic geyser is a must-see and it erupts every 90 minutes. Number 4, the Grand Canyon National Park. Located in Arizona, the Grand Canyon is a natural wonder that offers families an inspiring experience. Families can hike, bike, or take a guided tour to explore the canyon, and some of the most popular family-friendly activities in the canyon include mule rides. These are pretty cool. Families can take a guided mule ride along the canyon rim or down to the Colorado River, which is a unique way to experience the Grand Canyon and learn about its history. Also, another really cool thing to do is a helicopter ride through the canyon. I'm not too fond of heights, but I still think I might try this one. There's also other ranger-led programs that offer families guided hikes, campfire talks, stargazing events. These programs provide an opportunity for families to learn about the park and its wildlife from the experts. A must-do that me and my family loved was the Grand Canyon Skywalk. The Grand Canyon Skywalk is a glass floor bridge that extends 70 feet out over the edge of the canyon. Families can step onto the bridge and look down to the bottom of the canyon 4,000 feet below. It's thrilling and a unique experience with unparalleled views of the canyon. The Skywalk is located on the Indian Reservation, which is outside the national park, but it's a popular attraction for families visiting the Grand Canyon area. Number 3, the Acadia National Park. Located in Maine, Acadia is a coastal paradise with rocky shores, sandy beaches, and forested trails. Families can hike, bike, or kayak to explore the park, and some of the most popular family-friendly activities in the park include the carriage roads, or one of them. These historic roads were designed for horse-drawn carriages, but they're now used for hiking and biking and cross-country skiing. Carriage roads offer stunning views of the park's lakes, mountains, and forests. There's also Sand Beach. This beautiful sandy beach is a great place for families to swim and relax for the day. The water can be a little chilling depending what time of year it is, but it can be a refreshing way for the family to cool off for the day. Bonus tip, come see this place in the fall. The colors on the trees are unbelievable. Number 2, Zion National Forest. Located in Utah, Zion is known for its towering sandstone cliffs, narrow canyons, and stunning views. The families can hike, bike, or take a guided tour to explore the park. And some of the most popular family-friendly stuff in Zion include the Narrows. This is a unique hiking experience where families can hike through a narrow slot canyon with walls that tower over 1,000 feet high. It's a challenging hike, but it's an adventure that your family won't forget. Also, there's Angel's Landing Hike, which is a popular hiking trail that offers breathtaking views of the Zion National Park. The trail ascends 1,500 feet over 2.5 miles, so this might not be the right height for some of your smaller kids. And then there are the Emerald Pools. These beautiful pools are a great place for families to relax and cool off after a long hike. There are 3 pools to choose from, each with its own unique beauty and unique difficulty level. These trails are rated as easy to moderate. They offer scenic hikes with the 3 pools, but the lower pool is the easiest to reach with smaller children. While the other pools require a bit more hiking, they should be accessible for most families. And number 1 on our list, the Yosemite National Park, located in California. Yosemite is known for its stunning waterfalls, granite cliffs, and giant sequoias. Families can explore the park through hiking, biking, or rock climbing. And some of the more popular family-friendly activities in Yosemite include the giant sequoias. These enormous trees are a must-see for families visiting Yosemite. The Mariposa Grove, have over 500 giant sequoias and is accessible by shuttle or bus. Then there's Half Dome. Half Dome is one of the most iconic landmarks in Yosemite and a popular destination for hikers. The granite peak rises over 8,800 feet and offers stunning panoramic views of the park. Hiking to the top of Half Dome is no joke though, but it's an experience that your family won't forget. And then there is the Yosemite Valley. Yosemite Valley is the heart of Yosemite National Park and home to some of the most famous landmarks, including El Capitan and Yosemite Falls and Bridal Veil Falls. The valley is surrounded by towering cliffs and granite domes, making it a stunning place to explore and take pictures. Families can take your guided tours, go on hikes, or simply relax and enjoy the scenery. Yosemite Valley also has several picnic areas, campgrounds, cabins, and hotels, making it a great place for families to spend a day or even a few nights. Can't forget the bonus tip. At each one of these national parks, if you have young children, you can go sign up for the Junior National Ranger program. It gives activities and things to learn while you're out exploring the parks, and then you can return to the ranger station and they'll give the kids badges of completion for those activities that they did. Very cool. And there you have it, the top 5 national parks in America that are perfect for that next family trip. Whether you're looking for geysers, canyons, waterfalls, beaches, or towering cliffs, there's a national park for every family to explore and enjoy. So pack your bags, hit the road, and let's create some unforgettable memories with your loved ones in these stunning natural wonders. Like and subscribe if you got value from this, and we'll catch you on the next one with the family traveling.